Hello and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other. Today we will look at on how to use Outlook Calendar. So first and foremost, we'll have to open our browser. Once we've opened our browser, we will come to the Office website, which is office.com. After that, we will go to Outlook. Once we're in the Outlook, we want to press on the calendar right here. It's going to be below the email. After we press on calendar, our calendar should show up. Over here, we can select United States holidays, or we can unselect it. If it's your Outlook, if it's your Microsoft account that you use for a long time, I just made this a few minutes ago. Not a few minutes, but a bit while ago, so I don't have anything saved. But if you have birthdays or dates saved on the calendar, it should show up here. I want to keep the United States United holidays, so I'm gonna go to June. You can see it's the Flag Day. The Memorial Day was on the previous month, and 4th of July should come up as Independence Day for them, because I have the holidays for United States marked. So this is how you can use your Outlook calendar, and you can change the month date using this part, the up and down, and you can also contract it, open it, depends on how you use it entirely. Anyways, this is how, and if you want to do something, double click on it. I'm gonna do it again. Double click, and I can add a title. I don't want to add anyone, and it's gonna remind me 15 minutes ago. Well, and I can take it throughout which time I want. You can either do it from here manually, or you can just drag and set the time like that. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you liked the video, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.